Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about the best indexing tools for affiliate websites. I am joined with James. James, you've obviously invested in a few different indexing tools, and you've also tested a lot of different indexing tools. We both have. We're going to break down a few of the different indexing tools. But first of all, explain to people why you have obviously invested into indexing tools.
Yeah, so I've invested in some indexing tools because there was some good previous indexers. So I used ones like Rapid URL Indexer, which got kind of pages being indexed fast. And it was all about like how rapid it was and stuff like that. And it was fast for indexing. I used Speedy Indexer, also known as the Telegram bot, which was a cheap way and did pretty well on indexing. And it was cheap, but it wasn't the highest indexation rates. The highest indexation rate that I got out of all the other tools was Index Me Now, but then that was expensive. So I kind of had little pain points around them all. One was too expensive, one was fast, but the indexation rate wasn't quite as good. The other one was cheaper, but I wanted higher indexation rates. So it was like between them, I was like, there isn't one kind of indexer that I was like really happy with for my affiliate websites. Obviously, you went and tested a load more. So what other kind of indexing tools did you test to try to get the affiliate sites and the backlinks going through to the affiliate sites indexed?
So the few that I tested were Index Me Now, and obviously like what you said, it's $1. If they can't index a page, you get the $1 credited back to you. I tested out Amiga Indexer, but again, one issue that I had was obviously the indexation rates. Like it was good for a majority of the links, but it didn't have the highest indexation rate. You obviously do have Speedy Index as well. Now that was quick, but then I found there was a few inconsistencies with that. Sometimes it would work really well, sometimes it wouldn't, sometimes it would work well again. And then obviously you've got link dexing as well. And that was another one that I tested. But like what you said, there was pros and cons to each. And that's obviously when you started investing into a load of different indexing tools, and I started using some of the ones that you invested into.
Yeah, obviously, it's one or two others was like 1 hour indexing. Used to do pretty well. Indexification was an old school one, and then like Symbite is another one that some people still use in local SEO and stuff like that. But for me, it's just not got that indexation rate of what I need. So the three brands that we set up was Giga Indexer, Backlink Indexing Tool, and Indexceptional. Now, I'd love people to leave a comment. If there's something not right with one of them, we'll always be looking on quality control to try and improve on the indexation rates for them three. But when I compare Giga Indexer, Backlink Indexing Tool, and Indexceptional, I'm looking at the cost, I'm looking at the indexation rates, and I'm looking at how fast they index, and I believe them to be the best indexing tools for affiliate websites.
Yeah, so if you guys do have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. And if we've missed out an indexing tool in our list, or if there's one that you want us to test, mention it in the comments. We'll do a follow-up video. Thanks for watching.